Speaking at the end of a G20 summit in Rome, the president expressed confidence about the bill's prospects.
I believe we'll see by the end of next week at home that it's passed.
The bill includes nearly $2 trillion in taxes and spending, which the president says will help rebuild the economy after the coronavirus crisis. In Edinburgh, Scotland, Simon Owen, Fox News.
Meanwhile, election day is right around the corner in the Virginia governor's race.
In much of Henrico counties in a congressional district, a Democrat won last year by less than a point. So Democrat John Mills tells me he's not surprised polling shows such a tight race between the Democrat Terry McAuliffe and